What is the intestine and what is its vital functions? The intestine is the absorptive portion of the gut system that is responsible for absorbing all the nutrients and further assimilating them as they move further down the digestive tract. The small intestine with duodenum, jejunum, and ileum is responsible for assimilating broken down nutrients and release enzymes. The large intestine with colon and rectum helps in retaining water in the body and maintaining fluid and electrolyte imbalance. Functions of the intestine. The healthy functions of your intestine include: there are over 3 pounds of bacteria living in your intestine that form a natural factory for digesting food, regulating hormones, producing vitamins, and excreting toxins in the body that keep your body healthy. The ecosystem of such bacteria helps in maintaining overall health of the body. Any disturbance in the balance or presence of any harmful bacteria would damage your health. Immunity. The intestines play a huge role in deciding how your overall immunity is going to be. If your intestinal lining is not protected from the toxic environment from where germs and other infectious agents can travel, it can absorb those toxicants in a matter of a few seconds. The barrier when damaged can make you allergic or intolerant to foods you would normally eat without any inconvenience. If not controlled, it can lead to inflammation in your body resulting in several diseases. Enteric nervous system. Your intestine, or the gut, is actually called the second brain of the body. This is because the area is so sensitive it contains neurotransmitters even more than there are present in your brain. The enteric nervous system is a complex network of neurons wired to your brain in delicate manner. The communication between the two organs plays a deciduous role in your health. Detoxification. The role of detoxification is not limited to the liver. The large intestine plays an important role in this as well. The nature of your stool is largely determined by how it is handled up there in the large intestine. The right absorption of water and electrolytes decide the constipation or diarrhea phases of a stool. For example, if there is excess water resorption, the passed-out gut would be hard, and vice versa. Absorbing nutrients. Your intestine has the ability to absorb all the nutrients that it gets from the food. If there is any malfunctioning in this part of the digestive tract, a condition called malabsorption occurs. Nutrients like vitamin B12, folate, and others are not rightly absorbed in the tract, leading to deficiencies. Your intestine has a lot on its plate. Even in an ideal world, it is difficult to keep everything in balance. However, in the modern world, there are a lot of obstacles that can put our digestive health off the track, making it tougher to maintain a brilliant digestive health. Unhealthy downfalls and healthy tips. There might get something difficult with the inner tube of your intestines, making you overweight or sick. You might even not realize you are having a problem, but if you do have a concern, it is needed to keep your intestine health in check. There are chances that you might have suffered from some sort of a digestive disorder, like diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, constipation, bloating, gas, or heartburn. You are not alone, as millions of people all over the world have these problems. All of these problems majorly rise from one basic fact: our intestinal health is not working at its finest. Intestinal disorders are among the most prevalent disorders around the globe. The worst part of the story is that most of the people do not even acknowledge that they are having some sort of issues in their digestive tract, which is evolving in the form of arthritis, rashes, autoimmune disease, acne, mood disorders, chronic fatigue, dementia, autism, cancer, and more. So, having a functional and healthy intestine means more than just being free from symptoms like heartburn or bloating. It is absolutely pivotal to your health. It is integrated to everything that is happening in your body. What are the healthy foods for a healthy intestine? Whole foods. You need to eat whole and unprocessed foods. Make sure you include different fiber from foods such as beans, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and grains. Avoid refined and processed foods, as they are only going to be a burden on your gut and damage your health. Digestive enzymes. Sometimes, our digestive enzymes can fall short in the digestive tract. When you are not having enough digestive enzymes in your intestines, you cannot gain the right nutrients from the raw foods that you consume. You can take broad-spectrum enzymes suggested by your doctor to solve this problem. Probiotic supplements. You also need to take some probiotic supplements when you are lacking essential bacteria in your intestine. Unless you have small intestinal bacterial overgrowth as diagnosed by your doctor, you can easily treat yourself with items like yogurt and prescribed probiotic supplements for yourself. Healthy fats. Healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids coming from olive oil help in fighting the inflammation going on in the intestine in your body. Consume them with a meal in raw form, and try avoiding foods high in trans fat coming from animal meat as they can cause negative effects in the body. Nutritional supplements. Glutamine and zinc are some of the nutritional supplements that help in repairing the gut lining in your intestine. If you have complaints regarding inflammation such as seen in inflammatory bowel disease, you can take the supplements and potentially reverse your condition. However, make sure you take these supplements only through the recommendation of a dietitian. Final word. Without a doubt, our intestine is one of the most important players in deciding your overall health. You can take care of the health of your intestine through avoiding processed and refined foods such as white sugar, animal fats, fried foods, bakery items, and processed meats. You also need to combine whole foods like whole grains, nuts, and vegetables to rejuvenate your intestinal health. Your My Divine Diet Plan is built to cater to your needs concerning your intestinal health, which comes with all resources and guidelines you need to build a stronger, healthier intestine.